So let's begin with analyzing the charts, finding great opportunities, and then executing the trades for profit. So let's analyze this chart. First, we are going to draw the resistance trend line so that we can see from where the market is getting support. I mean, from where the market is pumping again and again. Okay, so here it goes. Okay, so now let's scroll to the previous and let's see what is the behind this. Okay, so if we go and draw the horizontal line, mark it exactly here and then copy this to mark another region like this. Okay, and if we draw the rectangle to find the fair value gap where the market has created a gap, we can find it exactly like here. Okay, and here it goes. Okay, so now we have to wait for the market either to touch this level or to come back to this level, then we will execute the trade. So let's wait for the next candle. This candle, what this candle is reacting like, what should be the result and how it is behaving. Okay, so let's watch. Okay, good. Now this is touching the level which I have already created, and if this closes inside or above this level, then I will execute the trade for 1 minute in the down direction. Okay, it has touches and getting rejection from here, so I am going to take trade in down direction for 1 minute. Okay, now let's see what happens to this trade. Okay, I took the down trade in this zone because this is the fair value gap and the market has created this gap. After fulfilling this gap, the market has to give a reversal. That's why I took the down trade, and for now it's in loss, so we will take the MTG to recover our losses and to make some profit. Okay, for MTG we will take two trades of same amount so that our capital should be safe. Okay, here it goes. Now this should be a sure shot win trade. This should be a red. This candle must be 100%, 100% must be a red one. Okay, so last 30 seconds are remaining and still the candle is in red, and I'm sure this should close in a red one because this is a sure short strategy which I'm using to take the trades. Okay, I'm sticked with one strategy. I'm not applying different strategies because different strategies makes man puzzles. So you can lose your capital, you can lose the trades. So always master one strategy and execute the trades with that strategy. And now here we goes. Our trades are win. The previous one was our loss, but we took the MTG of two trades and we have recovered that loss too. Okay, so now let's go to another chart and see what is going on here. If we see the current momentum is of down, okay, let me to delete this. For simplicity, I am using horizontal lines for making our okay. Here it goes. I will take the upside trade here. You can see a huge gap has been created by the market. This is a huge one, man. You can see from 1357.60 to 1356.51. That's a huge gap the market has created. So let's wait. What will be the result? If it's in loss, then we will again use the MTG to recover our loss and to make some profit. Okay. Here I will go with the up trade once again with two trades, and now you can see it again opened a huge gap, man. The market is much volatile now. I think our previous trade is, let me to see. Oh yes, our previous trade was refund. That's good. So that was not in loss, but we took the two trades as an MTG. But this should be a sure shot win. This should be a sure shot win. So always use risk management. Don't use your whole capital in one trade because we don't know the volatility of market. It can manipulate. It can do anything at any time. So if you lose your whole capital, then you can't recover your losses and all your capital will be lost. So what is the result of this trade? Yes, we have won this. Okay, so you know the strategy is very powerful. It gives huge amount of returns. So now here I'm marking this level and then below this here. Okay, so now I will wait for the market to come to this level and then will execute the trade. And if I draw the resistance line, okay, let me to delete this and let me, okay, where are you going, man? You should be here. Okay, okay, so now if we draw this line here, trend line, we can find the exact scenario what the market is doing. If we draw it from here and go from here, we can see that the market has broken this trend line. So now the momentum of the market has been changed from the upward to downward. The market will go now down. Okay, so first level is this. The market has to fulfill this level and then the market will come to this level. This is a very small level, but the market will come to this level to fulfill it. Okay, okay, let me to draw this so that you can understand it easily. This is a smaller one. Okay, and after this the other level which is very important will be this one. Okay, this level will be very important. From here the market will again pump, will gain the momentum and will pump again. Okay, so now let's see what is going on. Let me to delete the horizontal lines because these are little bit confusing. Let's copy this and place this here. Yeah, this shows little bit clarity. So now let's see another chart until the market comes to our specified level. Okay. Okay, so this is an upgrade. The market is already has gone up, so we are late. Anyhow, let's find another one. Okay, still no opportunity. And from here, the market has gone rejection and it is going down. So now let's see what this candle is going to do. Okay, this market has broken that level. So I took the uptrade for 1 minute. The level has been broken by the this candle. So that's why I took the uptrade for the next 1 minute. Okay, as you can see, the market is pumping. Huge green candle is being created. So this should be a short trade too. So now let's see what should be the result of this trade. Try to always use technical analysis and price action. Okay, also try to know the reaction of the candle. Okay, so last 5 seconds are remaining. From here we can go for the down trade. Okay, and here you go, you have one. So now let's go to another chart to find some other opportunities and then execute the trades. So here I can find another market gap. Here it goes. So the market has to come to fulfill this level. Yeah, here. As we can see, the uptrend has ended, and now the market has got rejection from here, and it is now creating low and low. Okay. Okay, so we have to wait for that opportunity. When the market reaches to that level, then we will execute our trades. Till that, we have to find another chart to find some opportunities. Okay, from here I'm going to downward. Okay, I took the down trade. I will explain it to you why I took the down trade here. If the market is in a downtrend and after two candles or three candles or doji candle has been created, and after the doji candle another red candle, strong red candle has been created, then the next candle you can take in the down direction. Okay, and here you can see it is our short win. Okay, so let's move to another chart to find any kind of opportunity if there is. So okay, from here the market has already gone it down. If this candle closes in a green, then I will take the next candle in down direction. Let me to refine this chart so that, yeah, okay, this has engulfed. Okay, so I will go for 1 minute downside trade. I took the down trade because if you see here, there is a bearish engulfing pattern has been created here. Okay, this green candle has been engulfed by this red candle. Okay, on these analysis I took the down trade, and also here there is a little bit gap between these two candles. Okay, so this gap always acts as a support and as a resistance, and you can see exactly from here the market has got rejection, and you can see how big this candle has been created. So these are the little tips and tricks which you can learn from us. If you find this video interesting and valuable, please subscribe our channel to support us. Share this video with your friends and family members, and also give us suggestions to improve on which pattern or on what kind of videos do you want us to create for you. Okay, so we will be waiting for your response. Your response is highly appreciated. Whatever kind of response you are giving, that response is highly being appreciated. Okay, okay, so still finding another opportunity. In this chart there is nothing. Okay, from here I will go downward, but my entry is little bit low, so if it goes more up then I will take more in down direction, and from here to trade more. Okay, so this candle must close below this level. Okay, this candle has to close below this level. That's why I took these many trades. So now let's see what should be the result. This is what you people are also doing, just like me, what I have done with this candle. I haven't waited for the closing of this candle and took too many trades, and all the trades I think is in loss, but we will recover it. Okay, so now we will recover our loss and also will make some profit. That's what I did, that's what you do. Okay, that was an example, that was an example for you people to understand that never ever take trades on running candles. Okay, always wait for the closing of the candles and then execute your trades. Otherwise you have just seen what happens, and this is what can happen with you guys, and I know already this has been happened with you. Okay, so always wait for the closing of the candle and then execute the trade. Okay, I know I can recover over my loss, that's why I took that trade to demonstrate it for you guys. Okay, so now here all our trades are now in profit. So now let's go to another one to find an opportunity. Okay, now this is what our target is now. and here the candle is getting rejection. Okay, so now let's see what this candle is going to behave. If this candle touches this level, then I will go for the up, otherwise I will wait for the next candle. What would be the result of that candle? Okay, now this candle will behave. If a candle closes in red and touches this level, then I will go for the uptrade in the next candle. But for that time, I will wait for it and we will find another opportunity. If there is any, then we will take it. Okay, and now here it is going again down. So let's exaggerate this one so that we can find the exact points, and let me to draw a rectangle at this level. Now our level is this one. Okay, now our level is this one, so I think the next candle will reach to this level and then we will take the trade. Okay, so this is also still pending. Okay, so let's wait for this. I think we can find an opportunity here in this chart. So let's wait for 1 minute. If this candle touches this level and closes uh, within this area, then I will execute the next trade in up direction for 1 minute. Till now we are waiting for the response. So let's see what is going to happen and what will be the result of this candle. Okay, this candle is coming down. Okay, come down, come down. Okay, 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 okay. It got the rejection from here. So still I'm not taking any trade. I know it can be created as a green, but I will not take the trade until it reaches to my setup. When this candle reaches to my setup, then I will execute the trade. Okay, so here still waiting for an opportunity, because finding an opportunity gives you the best results. So always try to find good opportunities and then execute your trades. Okay, okay, now this has come to this level. Come down, come down. Okay, okay, good, 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 good. Okay, okay, okay. Now as you can see, this candle has touched this level and then I took the uptrade. Now if this candle closes in a red, no worries, I will take the MTG and that will be show short win. Okay, but as you see, this candle is pumping, so I'm 100% sure this trade should be our show short win. So last 20 seconds are remaining. Let's see what should be the result. Okay, last 10 seconds are remaining, and here it goes. That was a short trade. As I told you, always make your own setups and then wait for the price to reach that setups. When price reaches to that setups, then execute your trades. That will give you a huge profit, huge profit, huge profit. So now let's move to another chart to find another opportunity if there is any. Okay, here I can find an opportunity. Oh, that's closes to down. Let's go for an up direction. Let's see what should be the result. I took this because here was a level, and from here the market has got too much power to break it down, and that's why the market has come down. So now let's see what should be the result of this one. Okay. Okay, if this candle closes in red, then on the next trade I will again go for the green one. Okay, but let's see. Okay, last 5 seconds are remaining. Okay, now this should be a sure short win. My entries are a little bit out of time. I don't know why. Where I want to take entry, it never been executed on that specific point. So now let's draw this. Okay, oh, a little bit gap is still pending here. Okay, so this is also loss. That's mean our three trades are in loss. But don't worry, I will recover these whole. No worries, I will recover it. I know how I can recover it, so that's why I'm not worried about the loss. Okay, so always believe in you, always believe on your strategy which you are going to use. Okay, and now you can see the market is going up. No worries. Okay, if we draw a rectangle, so if the market reaches this level, then I will execute the trade because I have to recover my loss. And now from here the market has closed to below, so if it goes little bit up, then I will take another trade in down direction. Okay, so here I can find an opportunity in the down direction. If it goes, if the current candle closes in red, then the next candle will also be in red. So I will wait for the closing of this and will take the trades. Okay, so this will be a sure shot. This will be sure shot. This will also recover our losses and will also give us a profit. This will be a red candle. Okay, this is 100% red candle. This is a pattern. If you want me to make a video on this pattern, let me know in comments so that I can make specific videos on these patterns. Okay, this will be a short trade. This will be a red, so I'm not worried about that. And here you goes. Always take 100% sure trades so that you know this will not your loss. So finding another opportunity. Okay, the market is stuck here. You can see the levels which I have drawn. The market is still fighting at these levels. Okay, the next level is this one. The market will reach to this level. Okay, oh, I haven't changed. Okay, now let's leave it. Let's see what should be the result of this trade. Okay. So this will be a red. If it isn't, then the next candle will be a red. So still waiting for the response. But I know I have to recover. I know I can recover my loss. So I'm not worried about this. Okay, so here it goes. Okay, this will be a short red one. This will be a short red one. No worries, no tension, nothing else. This will be a short red one. So let's wait. From here I can take two trades more. Yeah, and now waiting for the response. Okay, so this is a win. Some of them are in win and some of them are in loss. No worries. Okay, here we have missed an opportunity. And if I go here, okay. Okay, the next candle will be a red. I will take the next candle in down direction. Okay, this will be our last trade and that will give us a huge profit. I promise you that will give us a huge profit. This will be our last trade.